Hello everyone and welcome to today's morning report on Monday 14th of November with me, Rich Paramarket Analyst at Hanset Markets. We've got positive sentiment again on the markets today. There's been another leg higher on these bond markets and also the dollar. Let me show you the dollar, which has just absolutely soared in the last couple of days. It's now up to 100. It hit 100 on the trade-weighted dollar index today, which is actually above the January high. So it's hit the highest since since December 2015 today. Really, really strong move to the upside. Now look at these Treasury yields. 2-year, absolutely flying, and the 10-year, again, even more flying. Look at that move. Really, really strong move, and that is showing through with this sort of spread widening between the two tens, and that suggests also sort of yield curve steepening, and markets are incredibly moving on this yield story for Treasuries, and the dollar is moving on the back of that. You also got the gold price, which is lower. You've got equity markets, which are higher on the positive sentiment. It's all sort of has massively shifted on this Trump victory in terms of volatility on equity markets. It is down on the fear index on the VIX, but that's come with obviously strength in equities in recent days. Now, just generally across the board, we've got some really strong moves. Now, the gold price, as I said, a key one. I'll do the technicals on this on a bit, but look at that. Complete breakdown below 1241. Looks like it's come back towards 12 big figure, which is a key level, so I'll talk about that in a bit. But really strong moves, and the dollar is now towards the top of this uptrend channel again, having hit the bottom on the volatility of the Trump election. It's now towards the top, an incredible move. So it's really is some strong moves on these markets today, and there's no real suggestion that it's going to stop at the moment, even though obviously it's looking a little bit overstretched, but it's a really strong move. Now, in terms of what we've got to look forward to today, nothing really apart from Draghi this afternoon. He's speaking at 3 o'clock. It'll be interesting to see what he has to say. And my chart of the day today is the silver price. Now, gold and silver have, well, gold is certainly, as I said just now, it's just been under pressure. Silver hasn't yet broken down. Gold broke below the below 1241. 1708 on silver is the equivalent, but that hasn't yet decisively broken. Yes, you hit on an intraday basis $17, but bounced marginally off that. But look at the deteriorating technicals. You've got the MACD lines crossing over. You've got the stochastics accelerating lower. The RSI is at 35. Historically, it's been at 20 odd, 26. So there is certainly room for further weakness in the silver price on a break below that $17 area, which is a bit of an old support around this level. And to be honest, it's not a great deal of support till you get all the way back down at this low at 1577, 1618 is a minor low from June, but 1577 is that key June low. So there is prospect of further weakness, and it certainly looks like the technicals are deteriorating or continue to deteriorate. I'll get my word out. Here you see the hourly chart where you've broken below all this support, and rallies are a chance to sell now, as any sort of intraday rebounds sort of give you another opportunity. Again, 1750 bang on is the resistance today. 1770 is a historic level, 1770, 1780. So a few levels to work with there, but anything that unwinds the RSI back towards sort of 40, 45, 50 maybe. On the hourly, I think that would be seen as sort of an ideal selling opportunity. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again later.